I'm trying. If I'm out here trying to look at asses, and yours is one of them.
So I do a YouTube channel for Big and Tall Men's Fashion, and I wore something like on the line on purpose just to come out here and see would you guys rock this outfit, or if not, you have to roast me.
No, I like it. No, it's very nice.
You can do both.
I did. I noticed you walking up and I looked at your shoes first. They kind of caught my eye, honestly.
I appreciate that.
You know, the shirt. I now peeping the watch and it looked real.
Yeah.
That's all my wife. That's all my wife.
Yeah. That's very nice.
You matched it really well.
Hey, I appreciate that, man. That's coming from my people too.
Really? Wow. No, I like the shirt. I like the shirt.
Yeah. The last guy said if he was looking for a guy, no. She said he would be the gay best friend.
Oh no, that's rude.
She said she would ball stuff from my closet, is what she said.
Oh no. Maybe she was a gay one.
No, you look like you're ready for like a music video.
Hey, I get out there, slide up in there, man.
Think I'm going to the Century Club where I get free booty. I get free booty. I'm going to the Century Club. Watch out, slide up in there on them hoes.
I appreciate that, guys. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Happy New Year to you guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
So I have a YouTube channel that deals with big and tall men's fashion. And I wore an outfit like this on purpose just to kind of cross the line to ask people whether or not you would rock this outfit or suggest somebody rock it. But if not, you have to roast me.
Oh, I kind of want to say no because I want to roast you.
Go ahead.
Bring it on.
Come on.
But it's like being put on the spot. I do too. Yeah, no, I do like the outfit.
I thought I was going to get some action.
You're looking like a safari ass motherfucker.
Probably like a rich safari.
Yeah. What, did you just walk out of your Tesla?
Whoa!
Oh no. Oh no.
But you got a couple of lions back in here. Stuffed lions in here.
Boom. Roasted.
You guys know who Suge Knight is? We've got Gay Suge Knight.
Boom. Roasted.
Dang, they agree with that one.
I like that one. The slippers are great.
Oh, I appreciate it.
Yeah. That part of I think that's what like ties it all together. Yeah.
Well, I thank you guys for your opinion. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Have a good night.
You too. So my YouTube channel deals with big and tall men's fashion, and I wore an outfit like this on purpose just to kind of cross the line. So I was wondering if you would rock this outfit, or if not, you have to roast me.
No, I would. To me, this is not far-fetched or extravagant. You know what I mean?
My nigga.
It's very simple. You got the shoes, got the nice pants, and a lot of narcos wear shirts like this.
That's the second Narcos comment I've gotten tonight.
Quítele las esposas.
So let me ask you, are you from here?
From Burbank, just up that way.
Oh, so still LA County, so you're used to seeing outlandish, extravagant stuff then. All right, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
It's a lot of you too, so this will be good. They got different opinions.
So, I have a YouTube channel for big and tall men's fashion. And I wore something like this on purpose, just kind of teetered the line a little bit. So I want to ask you guys whether you would rock this outfit, or if not, then you have to roast me.
Nah, I would, bro. I would, honestly.
I'd rock your shirt, dude.
Yeah, I like the loafers, bro.
Dude, what does my tattoo say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude!
It would be.
Yeah.
Oh, and the wash. The whole outfit though, you gotta take the whole thing.
All or nothing?
Yeah, the whole thing.
I probably wouldn't. I wouldn't.
Alright, man, honestly, it looks
I
like you
wouldn't
kind of
wear
wear
jeans.
heels, like a little bit. Like a little bit.
Wow.
Like just a little bit.
I wouldn't wear
Then after
jeans.
that, it's fine.
No, new Will's on the loafer vibes.
Oh yeah, Will's on loafer vibes.
Loafer vibes, I feel the loafers, but I don't know about the jeans.
Maybe a but nah, you got the chances on that.
So what, it look like I'm in a dance competition?
Yeah.
These are not spirit fingers. These are spirit fingers.
Yeah.
This is definitely a club outfit. Just to be honest.
What club?
Some high roller. I don't want to say
Hollywood?
it on video.
I see where this is going.
I'm gonna say some messed up shit that's gonna get me in trouble down the road. I'm gonna be 40 and look back at this and be like, the messed up shit I'm gonna say. I'm thinking something right now. I'm not. It's a sick outfit though.
Vegas. I'll take that. I'll take Vegas.
Yeah! Alright, dude, I'd wear it.
Thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it.
Have a good night.
You guys have a good one too. Quick question. All right, so I got a Big and Tall Man's YouTube channel.
You can answer too.
So I got a Big and Tall Man's YouTube channel, and I wore something like this on purpose, just to kind of cross the line. So I want to know if you would rock this outfit, or you would suggest somebody rock this outfit. If not, then you guys got to roast me.
I feel like I'll rock it, just not here if I'm going to an event. If that makes sense. But
Yeah, I hear you. Would you date somebody who rocked this outfit? Be for real.
I like the style, I just don't like the print. But
Okay, so you got a roast for me?
no, I just
Nothing. You ain't got nothing. You ain't got nothing either.
I'm straight.
I appreciate it. Thank you guys. All right, big fellas, thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of my channel. This is a little bit different, but if you guys want to see content like this from me in the future, go ahead and hit that like button, as well as that subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about it. And all the equipment that was used in this video will also be linked down below. Hit the Amazon links, buy something. I'm struggling out here, man, so y'all can help a brother. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. And remember, just because we big, don't mean we can't stay fly. Peace.